Hey, I don't have pants on.
Well, you knew I was vlogging. Why'd you come down here without pants on?
My pants are down here.
Woo!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm with my husband, Jordan.
Welcome to the Jordani vlog.
So about 48 hours ago, I left for Austin.
Are you gonna miss me?
Aren't you going for like 2 days?
Since we got married, this past weekend was the first time that we'd ever been apart.
We got married, we traveled together for like a month or two. The first time I was like, wait a second, this is what life is like without Dani.
Are we gonna cuddle while she's gone? Mom said you stink. Do you smell bad? Did you get into something?
I haven't had a lot of alone time since we have gotten married. You know, you leave for the first time since, and I don't really know what to do with myself anymore.
He dropped me off at the airport, was like,
bye.
Are you sure you want to do this?
No, honestly, I mean, I don't have to. If you're listening too much, we can hang. I'm always down to chill.
Netflix. Love you. Have fun.
okay, so what was the first thing that you did?
I don't know what to do.
I went through like 3 hours being like, man, who am I without my wife now?
So, did you do anything productive while I was gone?
What's up, guys? This is actually my brother. Scoot back. Let him see your body.
Hi, how are you?
Way bigger than me. We're gonna start working out together. Me trying to gain how many pounds?
10 to 15.
20 pounds.
10 to 15 pounds is the goal. 20's pushing it.
Like
yeah.
Brad Pitt in Fight Club?
Like Brad Pitt in Fight Club. Jordan had a good workout today. He did a really good job of, you know, we didn't have him go 100% by any means, you know, but he did a really good job. I mean, I pushed him for sure. He worked hard, and he's currently swinging on this like a jungle gym now. So he didn't work that hard. But
What else did you do that night?
I think a big problem that I've had, like the one criticism that I've had about how you've, how do I say it, decorated the place is that there's so much pink. But I got rid of all the pink things, and I kind of created, for the time being, I called it a man cave. It ended up being kind of just like...
Did you make a fort or something?
Alright guys, we are all here in the fort. I can't even believe I built this. Okay, alright, okay.
I feel like you always like want to make forts, and I'm always like, no.
It's like a,
We're adults, Jordan.
it's like a pillow fort.
So, what did you learn from me being gone?
Since it was the first time that we've been apart, what I learned over this weekend was that it's actually really important to kind of maintain some sense of like independence with each other. Like, you know, when you get married, your hobbies become each other's hobbies, but that just like little time apart to invest in ourselves, I think is more important because it allows for us to like love each other a little bit better. I think that what I learned was that although like I love you so much and I've had so much fun these past 2 months of marriage, I think it's still really important for me to kind of keep filling myself back up and to like keep some sense of individuality and like what I'm interested in, because ultimately like if I'm recharged, if I'm replenished, if I'm like, you know, doing the things that I love to do, I feel like it's something to share with you, and it like makes our marriage stronger in a weird way.
Yeah, no, I agree. It's always special to have like your unique thing that you're interested in, and it's like it's your own.
Yeah.
And like that's always special, and it's also something that I feel like your spouse like respects from you.
Yeah, I think
it's like I have my fashion blogging thing, and Jordan's like, you do you, girlfriend, I'm so proud of you, and like you have your man cave thing, and I'm like, you do you, boyfriend, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah. Oh wait, what? That's not my thing.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this really fun vlog from Jordan. We have a lot of plans of vlogging more. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from our channel. We also upload Instagram stories every day. It's kind of like our thing. So it's therapeutic for us. My Instagram is @Dani Austin. We'll put the link down below for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I guess we'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh my god.